South Whidbey Island in the state of Washington, skate park. I'm going to guess this is a Purkiss Rose park, pre-2005 maybe. This park probably has the most hubbas I've ever seen in one skate park. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then if you count these two on either side, 5, 6. Right? You got a down rail here. You got a stair set there. You got this fun rail to, I mean, you're supposed to hit it going up or going down. You're going down. That's quite a fucking jump down there. I guess you could roll in, hit the quarter pipe there. You got the sort of banks here with noping just to roll in. Yeah, this stair set is crazy. Oh, I slipped. Ooh, it's wet. Just you. Let's look at this stair set. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 with the kinked rail. And look at these ledges. I mean, they're really high. Yeah, I guess there's flat ground here. That's probably what. Yeah, there's a rail up there, a little stair set. I guess it's meant to come up here, boop, grind, go down the other side. There's another stair set on the other side. Mirrors the other one with a kinked rail. Oh my god, that is like quite the down rail. So high. And then there's this half pipe, which is actually looks pretty fun. I like to come back when it's dry and give this one a shot. Anyways, again, this is South Whidbey Island. Beautiful location. Look at that big open field with the trees in the background. There's parking up there. There's probably parking somewhere else too. Let me use these convenient stairs to get back to the top. Boop, 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 boop. And yeah, I'll still coping. There's actually a pump track for bikes right there. This looks pretty fun as pump tracks go. There's my wife and her friend, our host here on Whidbey Island. Ooh, a bitchin' looking playground over there. Look at that playground. I'm gonna go check that out. 50-year-old me wants to go check out that playground. Looks rad. My inner child is saying, yeah, that looks rad. Yeah. I don't know. I think that if you go more north on the peninsula here up the island, I think there's another skate park up that way, but there's trash can, there's no lights. Yeah, so I just happened to be here. And a lot of hubbas. If you like hubbas, this is the park for you. South Whidbey Island Sports Complex, state of Washington.